The Internal Revenue Service said it's sitting on $1 billion worth of refunds that have not been claimed.
That money belongs to people across the country who haven't filed their 2014 federal returns. There is no penalty for filing a late return if you have a refund. But Angela Davis reports there is a deadline and time is running out.
It's a necessary but often dreaded part of being a working American, filling out the forms for income tax returns. But by failing to file a return, you could be missing out on a refund.
And what we're doing is saying, look, these are refunds, and they're good estimates, but these are refunds. This is money owed to taxpayers for not filing a tax return for a particular year.
The year is 2014. An IRS spokesperson says in Minnesota there are about 15,800 people who didn't file a federal income tax return in 2014, but are owed a refund. The median amount is $785, making the total nearly $16 million.
Generally speaking, if you don't file a tax return and you have a refund return, there is no penalty. What you're doing is you're letting the government hold your money for you and not give it to you.
The tax deadline is Tuesday, April 17th of this year.
So what we do is we say, hey, we would like to have this money find its home.
Apprehension and confusion are what keeps some people from dealing with the IRS.
There's no question that taxes in general can be intimidating, and they're often very complex.
Here at Prepare and Prosper in St. Paul, volunteers who are trained in tax preparation work with clients for free.
If people are not sure, they should go to a free tax site and find out if maybe they left money on the table. And we will see people who come to us with 2014 tax returns.
By law, unclaimed tax refunds become property of the U.S. Treasury Department after 3 years if a return is not filed. Now, not everybody is required to file an income tax return. You can have an income that's below the required threshold. Also, keep in mind, if you owe the IRS money, you can work with them to pay it in installments. That's one of the things they wanted me to share with people as I talked to them on the phone. But yeah. So a lot of folks who work part-time, maybe just don't make that much money.
They think, no, I'm not going to do it.
It might be worth your time.
All right. Yeah, definitely. All right. Thank you, Angela.